Pick up by number 14 to number 11. Easy 2 points. Number 25 to number 33. No good. Number 33 again. 2 points. Baka mo sa bakit. Good ball. 2 points. Number 5 to Justin. No good. Rebound by number 16. To number 5, using the glass. Number 34, 2 points. Drop pass, steal. Number 19, to number 11, with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 14, to number 19, no good. Number 34, no good. Steal. Number 8 to number 11. 2 points. Number 25. No good. Rebound by number 14. Steal. First steal. Number 34. No good. Number 5, 2 points. Number 11 to number 19, back to number 11. Number 14 to number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, no good. Number 8, no good. Number 16, no good again. Number 25. To number 5, fakes, shoots, 2 points. Number 14 with a long 3, puts it in, 3 points. Number 16. To number 16, to number 8, no good. Number 34, please. There is a foul. Number 34, no good. Rebound by number 16. Number 25 to number 0. Robles. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. By number 25. Number 10. Number 3. To number 34. Steal. Number 0. Steal by number 10. Steal by number 22. Number 8. To number 22. Eagle man, 2 points. On the first period. Number 2. To number 34. Fakes. Number 34 goes inside. Follow up by number 3, 2 points. Number 22, to Medina. To Mappi, no good. Number 2, no good. Pick up by number 22, pass break to number 8. Steal! Number 25, Edmond! basket. Basket. To number 2. To number 34. 2 points. Number 16.